Hello, welcome to your channel, Nicole Prem Tech. Today we're working on lab 1.38 and we're going to work on how you set up the wireless. So head to the shelf and expand the wireless access point. So drag 802.11 BGN access point to the workspace. Once you've done that, place it conveniently next to the router. This allows you to then click back on the router and access the access point so that you can have a rear view of so then we're going to power the access point. In this case, we are going to the shelf again, then click cables, then select the power adapter. So next, we select the AC to DC power adapter from the shelf, then drag the DC connector to the access point AC and to wall outlet, then connect the DC to the DC end to the access point and plug the AC end into the wall outlet or the surge protector. The next step is to connect the router. So go to the shelf, select Cat 6A cable. So once you grab the Cat 6A Ethernet cable, connect one end to the access point and the other to the free LAN port on the router. Okay, now that's how we do it. One to the access point and the other one to the LAN point of the router. Okay, switch on the laptop. Find the globe icon and expand the wireless option. So select the HomeNet-AC network, then check whether it's connected automatically, and then hit connect. So then right click on the wireless icon, that is network and internet settings. Once you have checked whether the home PC has connected automatically, then you should see the successful internet connection. So once you right click on the wireless icon, go to the globe, and then you should see the network is successfully connected at this point. So let's click on the globe. Once you click on the network, the wireless. So this is a confirmatory phase where you right click on the wireless icon, then open internet and network settings. At this point, you should see a successful internet connection.